Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your trusted channel for tech tips and tricks. In today's video, I'm going to show you some exciting new WhatsApp tricks that you should know. From editing messages to using AI-powered stickers, we've got everything you need to know. Let us get started. Here's what we will cover today. 1. Edit your messages like a pro. 2. Lock chats for extra privacy. 3. Send instant video messages. 4. Create polls for easy decision making. 5. Stickers to express yourself. 6. Keep your chats super secure. 7. WhatsApp avatars for customizing your profile. 8. Share photos and videos in HD. 9. Leaving group chats without the drama. 10. Message yourself for easy note-taking. 11. Disappearing messages that stick. Let us jump into the first method. 1. Edit your messages like a pro. Have you ever sent a message with a typo and wish you could go back and fix it? Well, now you can. Here's how. Simply tap and hold the message you want to edit. Next, tap the three little dots in the corner and you'll see an edit option appear. Once you tap it, you can fix any typos or even rewrite the entire message. Keep in mind though, that you can only edit a message within 15 minutes of sending it. So act fast if you want to clean up your message. 2. Lock chats for extra privacy. Want to keep your private conversations extra secure? WhatsApp now lets you lock individual chats using your fingerprint. Here's how to lock a chat. Open the chat section. Tap and hold onto a chat that you want to lock to show more options. Next, tap the three little dots in the corner and you will see the lock chat option appear. Tap continue and set up fingerprint authentication. Once locked, the chat will disappear from your main chat list. But don't worry, you can find it in the lock chat folder where you can access all your hidden chats. It is a great way to keep your sensitive conversations private. Number 3. Send instant video messages. Voice notes are cool, but video messages are next level. WhatsApp now lets you send video messages right from the chat screen. Here's how it works. Head to the chat you want to message. Tap and hold the camera icon and it will automatically record your message. Once you're done, simply let go of the recording button. It is a fun and creative way to communicate, especially when you want to add a personal touch that a regular voice note just can't match. Number 4. Create polls for easy decision making. Do you often find yourself in group chats trying to figure out where to eat or what movie to watch? WhatsApp's new poll feature makes it easier than ever to get everyone's opinion. Here's how to create a poll. Tap on the attachment icon in the chat. Select poll and type in your question. Add options for your friends to choose from. Once you send it, everyone can vote, and you will even be able to see who voted for what. It is perfect for group decisions, from casual plans to more important matters. 5. Stickers to express yourself. One of the coolest features is stickers, especially one that is created by you. Here's how to make your own. Open the sticker section in any chat. Tap on the New Create button. Choose from your photo album which photo you would like to generate as a sticker. You can edit, write text, and draw on it. Once done, hit send. You can get creative with this. And since the stickers are original, you are sure to stand out in your chats. Number 6. Keep your chats super secure. Security is a priority for WhatsApp, and the latest updates take it to the next level. Here's what you can do to keep your account extra secure. Go to WhatsApp settings, privacy, and enable the fingerprint lock. This will lock the app itself, so no one can access it without your fingerprint. If you're on iPhone, you can also use Face ID for even more convenience. Another cool feature is the checkup tool, which is privacy dashboard that lets you see everything related to your privacy settings, like silencing unknown calls. 7. WhatsApp avatars for customizing your profile. If you're a fan of avatars, WhatsApp's new feature allows you to create a digital version of yourself. Here's how. Go to Settings and tap on Avatar. You can either create one from scratch or take a selfie, and WhatsApp will generate your avatar. Once done, you can customize your avatar's look, everything from hairstyle to clothing. And the best part, you can use your avatar as a profile picture or send it as a sticker in chats. It is a fun and creative way to express yourself. Number 8. Share photos and videos in HD. Ever been frustrated with how your photos and videos get compressed when you send them on WhatsApp? Good news! Now you can send photos and videos in HD quality. Here's how. When sending a photo or video, tap the HD icon. Choose the quality you want and lo and behold, you are sending crystal clear media. No more blurry images or videos. This feature is a game changer, especially for high quality shots. Number 9. Leaving group chats without the drama. Sometimes you need to leave a group chat but you don't want to deal with everyone knowing about it. Well, now only the group admins will be notified when you leave. No more awkward goodbyes, just peace and quiet. 10. Message yourself for easy note-taking. Have you ever wished you could quickly jot something down on WhatsApp without dealing with note apps? Now you can. To message yourself, tap the chat icon and select your own contact. You can send yourself notes, shopping lists, and even media to keep everything in one place. This feature is super handy for organizing ideas, reminders, or even forwarding media from your computer to your phone. Number 11. Disappearing messages that stick. WhatsApp now allows you to send disappearing messages. To do this, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of the chat you want to message. Tap the disappearing messages option. Set a message timer. New messages will disappear from this chat for everyone after the selected duration time. But did you know you can save them? If you want to keep a disappearing message, just tap and hold the message that you want to keep. Then select the frog icon to keep it. You can see it by tapping on your name and in the kept messages. This way, you can save important messages even if they're set to disappear. And that's a wrap on the latest and greatest WhatsApp updates. With new features like message editing, stickers, and more, WhatsApp is making it easier and more fun to stay connected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.